How to make an origami star. Grab a piece of paper and cut or tear a piece off the long side around 1.5 centimeters in width. If tearing, fold the end piece over and crease it down. Open it up and reverse the fold. This will give you a need to tear. Now tie one of the ends into a knot. Try to get a really good pentagon shape. Fold the shortest end over like so. Now continuously fold the long end around the pentagon. Tuck the end piece under the paper that's just beneath it. Crease each side down to make it as flat as possible. Now pinch each end like so to make the corners of the star. Done. Twinkle, twinkle, shooting star. Hold on, it's twinkle, twinkle, little star. Oh no, I just changed the words because you're a shooting star. No, I'm not. Told him. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon for notifications for upcoming videos.